Hi, I'm Danny Byrne with the Web Seller Circle. Today is part 2 in our series about hosting your own photos. Today we're going to look at Filezilla. To begin, go to Google and just type Filezilla into the search box. This is the easiest way to get to the website to download the software. Once there, scroll down and click on the Download File Client. You'll see it's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Choose the one that's best for your computer. I'm going to take Windows EXE. Say yes to all of the prompts and the security warnings. When the yellow bar appears at the top of your browser, click on it and click Download File, and again say yes. Now, I'm not going to save this file. I'm going to just run it and install it right in place. You can save it if you want to, but I'm going to save that step and just click Run. Click Agree, click Next, and the software will be installed on your computer. I also like to have a desktop icon. Other than that, I accept all of the defaults and just click Next and install, and let the file take care of itself. When it's done, click Finish, go to your desktop, and click on that Filezilla icon that we asked it to install. This is the software. Begin by clicking on File and Site Manager and add a new site. The settings you need for this will be supplied by your web hosting company. Mine is Bluehost, and the host name would be my website address, www.dburnassociates.com. Bluehost has let me know that the port number is port 21, so I enter it under port. There are several different FTP types, but you'll probably want to just use FTP, File Transfer Protocol, and switch the type to normal. Enter your username and your password, which will be supplied by your web hosting company, and then click Connect. And your local computer is connected to the remote site, which is the server on the internet used by your web hosting company. You can transfer files, change the views of which windows are open, get a little more room to see what files are available on the server or on your local computer, what commands are being carried out. Just click on the plus or minus sign to open and close folders just as you do in Windows Explorer. Public HTML is the usual folder on the web server where you'll be putting your files. You can just then drag and drop files between these two panes to upload them. It's really just as simple as that. Grab the file, move down, you'll see your cursor shows that plus sign. Anytime you see that, you can just release the file. You'll see on the top window how it scrolls and it says it's successful. Let's scroll down and there it is. It's on the server. It really is just that simple. I also like to change the settings here. Instead of having windows top to bottom, I prefer them side to side. So you go into Settings, Interface, and change it to Blackboard. Then click OK, and you'll see they're now side by side. I personally just find this easier to use. Local files are on the left. Remote files are on the right. I click on the R to reconnect, and then here we see that file we loaded last time. I'm going to pick another one from that same group. Just pull it, drag it, and drop it. It's that easy. That's all you have to do to FTP files from your local computer to your web hosting company. This is Danny for the Web Seller Circle. For more tips like this, please join us at www.websellercircle.com.